channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I am going to show you a simple cucumber feet pack for whitening. This is a very easy pack and you can do it anytime you want. My ingredients are grated cucumber. Here I have already grated the cucumber. My next ingredient is few drops of honey. So at first on the grated cucumber, I am going to give few drops of honey and mix it well. Put this mask on the dark skin areas. After that, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, wash it off with water. Perform this remedy twice a day to get the best results. Now pat dry your feet. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.